Can you imagine a world where machines understand and respond to your needs just as a human would? Welcome to the AI revolution, a phenomenon that's not just shaping our future, but actively transforming the present. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a concept confined to the realms of science fiction. It is a tangible reality, interwoven into the fabric of our everyday lives. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, AI is disrupting traditional norms and paving the way for unprecedented innovation. It's enabling us to solve complex problems, increase efficiency, and enhance the quality of life. Whether it's a voice-activated assistant that simplifies your tasks or a sophisticated algorithm that predicts market trends, AI is a game changer, and its influence is growing exponentially. AI is not a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing the world as we know it. So let's delve deeper into the AI revolution, exploring its potential, its risks, and its undeniable impact on our society. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's an instrument of change, as evident from its real-world impact. Let's delve into the realm of healthcare first. AI is making waves here, proving to be a game changer. Take, for instance, the case of AI tools used in early cancer detection. They analyze medical imaging, detect anomalies, and predict the onset of cancer, often with greater accuracy than human eyes. This early detection can lead to timely treatment, improving survival rates and quality of life for countless individuals worldwide. But the influence of AI isn't restricted to healthcare alone. It's also revolutionizing the finance sector. Fintech firms are now employing AI algorithms for risk assessment, fraud detection, and personalized financial advice. One such example is the use of robo-advisors, which offer automated, algorithm-based financial planning services with little to no human supervision. This not only increases efficiency, but also makes financial advice more accessible to the masses. The education sector, too, is witnessing the transformative power of AI. Tailored learning experiences are now a reality thanks to AI-driven personalized learning platforms. These platforms adapt to each student's learning style and pace, making education more effective and engaging. And let's not forget about the environment. AI is playing a pivotal role in combating climate change. It's being used to predict weather patterns, monitor deforestation, and optimize energy consumption, all of which contribute to our collective fight against global warming. Artificial intelligence is also making strides in creative fields like art and music. AI algorithms now create stunning artworks and compose symphonies, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in these domains. These are just a handful of examples. AI's reach is far and wide, touching almost every facet of our lives. Every industry, every sector is feeling its influence, and in most cases, the impact is positive. It's driving efficiency, fostering innovation, and paving the way for a future where technology enhances our capabilities rather than replacing us. These success stories illustrate the potential of AI to drive innovation and improve our quality of life. Scene script. However, as with every technological revolution, the AI revolution brings with it a set of challenges and concerns. Firstly, let's delve into the ethical considerations surrounding AI. As AI systems become more autonomous, they also become more capable of making decisions that can significantly impact people and society. But who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake or a decision that harms people? Should it be the developers, the users, or perhaps the AI itself? This raises questions about transparency, responsibility, and the potential need for AI rights and regulations. Moving on, another major concern revolves around job displacement. As AI becomes more adept at performing tasks previously done by humans, it's natural to worry about potential job losses. From factory workers to truck drivers, many professions could be affected. But it's not all doom and gloom. History has shown us that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new jobs and industries. It's crucial, however, to ensure that people are adequately prepared for these changes through education and skill development programs. Finally, we must address the elephant in the room: the risks associated with AI misuse. In the wrong hands, AI can be used to cause harm, whether it's through deepfake videos, autonomous weapons, or malicious bots. This highlights the importance of security measures and stringent regulations to prevent such misuse. Moreover, there's the question of AI surpassing human intelligence, a concept often referred to as the singularity. What happens when AI becomes smarter than us? It's a fascinating yet daunting prospect that warrants serious discussion and preparation. In sum, while AI presents promising opportunities, it also poses significant challenges. The ethical dilemmas, potential job displacement, and risks of misuse are just a few examples. It's clear that as we continue to advance and integrate AI into our lives, we must also be mindful of these concerns. The potential pitfalls of AI underscore the need for careful and responsible development. What does the future hold for AI? Let's hear from the experts. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and experts believe that its potential is far from being fully realized. Renowned futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that by the mid-2030s, machines will surpass human intelligence, leading to an era he calls the singularity. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. Ethicist Shannon Valor warns that as AI becomes more prevalent, we must ensure it serves human values, including fairness and privacy. Meanwhile, tech entrepreneur Elon Musk underscores the need for regulations. He believes that AI, if left unchecked, poses a greater risk than nuclear weapons. On the brighter side, Microsoft's CEO, Satya Nadella, is optimistic about AI augmenting human capabilities, driving innovation and improving our quality of life. In conclusion, while the experts agree that AI holds immense potential, they emphasize the need for responsible development and use to ensure it benefits humanity as a whole. The future of AI holds immense potential, but it's up to us to navigate its course responsibly. Now that you've heard about the AI revolution, its impact, and the concerns it raises, what are your thoughts? Let's contemplate on this together. Consider the transformative power of AI, how it's revolutionizing industries, making our lives more efficient, and fueling innovation. Then, think about the ethical considerations. How can we ensure AI serves humanity while respecting our values? Ponder on the potential for job displacement. How does the idea of a changing employment landscape sit with you? Are we prepared to adapt? And let's not forget about the risk of misuse. How can we ensure AI is developed and used responsibly? These are significant questions, and your opinion matters. Your perspective can help shape a future where AI is used for the betterment of society. AI is reshaping our world. Your voice matters in shaping its future. Share your thoughts, and let's navigate the AI revolution together.